Hello, my name is Roshan Naik and I'm the founder of Diagnopriotic, which was incorporated in November 2022 with a vision to develop rapid infectious diagnostics that would enable early intervention and reduce misuse of antibiotics. We operate across three vertical segments: human, veterinary, and environmental, especially for the infectious disease segment to reduce the antimicrobial use. While traditional culture takes 3 days, our rapid urinary infection diagnostic kit delivers the right pathogen and the right antibiotic in 6 hours, protecting patients from undesirable antibiotic exposure and complications. The challenges are prescription without diagnosis is a common problem, as existing method takes at least 2 days. Greater than 92% bacteria that cause UTI are resistant to at least one common antibiotic, and almost 80% are resistant to at least two. Recognizing the growing antimicrobial resistance in UTIs, ICMR has sought proposals for indigenously developed rapid antimicrobial resistant diagnostic kits. There is an urgent need to offer rapid and simple solutions for identification resistant antibiotics for better treatment outcomes, reduce hospitalization, and make informed treatment decisions. The current standard of care, as per the ICMR guidelines 2017 and 2022, states for urinary tract infection syndromes such as cystitis, acute pyelonephritis, acute prostatitis, or chronic bacterial prostatitis, empirical antibiotic prescription is started with until the urine culture report is made available in 2 to 3 days. Our kit here, as you can see on the left side, allows the entire process to be completed within 6 hours. The innovative components include bacterial load assessment, species identification, especially E. coli and Klebsiella pneumoniae, a comprehensive AST that covers these different UTI syndromes, and digital analysis to minimize subjective interpretations. These were our key milestones, February 24 to November 24, where we completed our clinical performance evaluation after the quality management system implementation and pilot batch manufacturing. February 25, where we applied for our commercial license, and in January this year, we received our manufacturing license. Our business model would be a B2B focused on hospitals and clinics, bulk kit procurement targeting urology, gynecology, OPD clinics, focused initially in Goa and Maharashtra with a focus of 30% gross margin, selling price approximately 500 rupees, where 250 rupees are manufacturing cost. These are our currently fixed operating cost for staff salaries, the rents, waste disposal, and so forth. The revenue drivers, apart from the kit selling, we'll also have a software platform which we're planning to incorporate, and through which we'll have subscription tiers. The analytic of that are useful for AMR surveillance and also tech licensing for regional licensing through revenue sharing. We have our per clinic unit economics here. So for per unit, initially it would be approximately 12,000 cost, field sale visits, demos and samples, training, commission, follow-ups, materials. Then from a customer lifetime value, it will be around 36,000 with assumption of 20 tests per month and approximately 720 tests with 150 margins per kit. Our technology is patented, the main innovation, where we have a single media composition that allows both bacterial identification and antimicrobial sensitivity within 6 hours. We have also a US patent application now filed that covers the kit and also the methods, and EU and ARIPO filings are in process. We have also a patent of addition planned soon where the media composition and chromogenic reagent, the interactions which allows CFU counts, colony forming unit, through gradient color change, unlike binary color, yes or no, currently that you see with nitrate detection assays. Also, another patent application is separately to be filed where we have a digital analysis platform for semi-quantification. We have a copyright granted for our software and the trademark application is in the final stages for the kit. In terms of the risk and threats, the main risk would be the turnaround time. There are many organizations working to reduce the further turnaround time. However, our escape kit is positioned in a manner which allows many more comprehensive evaluation comparable to the existing culture method, VITEC methods. And also, it is second only to Sysmex, which is a Swedish Japanese company, which allows the results to be carried out within 45 minutes. Of course, we are happy to share that we were selected for BIG and we're working on version 3, while this one is the version 1. Version 3, where we'll have subsequently in near future an escape compact device that can run these analysis in a shorter period and a simpler workflow. Apart from that, our media formulation allows multiple sample compatibility, multiple blood, throat swab, nasal swab can be done. Also, it's a point of care test existing, which is very much required in countries like India. And also, we have a comprehensive 18 antibiotic panel that covers the various UTI syndrome. Our license has been received, as I have mentioned. In the initial stages, of focusing on Goa and Maharashtra, though depending on the interest, some other states we are also open to. Now we have a first paid customer from the Jan Chetna Manch Bokaro in Chamrabad. Then in the phase one, the aim is that we will collect testimonials and then use it for to spreading the message to make a selling story. Then we are also doing the brand endorsing process for the software inclusion, and this is what is required by the ICMR to take our work for further for the HTA. We have also pilot studies in Kalahandi district, Healthy Hospital, and District Hospital in Goa. In year two will be kit volume expansion. We have a facility for contract manufacturing in Yenepoya, Bangalore. As we expand to more clinics, expand distribution networks. Currently, we have a distributor in for Goa and Maharashtra, and in phase through to multiply the numbers. During which also we have right now ongoing national phase entries ongoing, and we would be also raising the funds for patent protection. Our key clients here would be critical care physicians, hospitals with ICUs, infection control committees, and insurance companies. Because insurance companies generally they don't prefer to pay for treatments which may deemed unnecessary. So we are making a selling story which we can present it to insurance companies to see how rapid diagnosis adds value. Then in phase two will be Tier 1 multi-speciality hospitals, hospital chains and networks, standalone diagnostic labs. This is our team, myself with the MSc in Biotech and PhD in Neurobiology, followed by 10 years of academic R&D. Similarly, Swarupa, after a master's in biotechnology, has a 10 years in undergraduate teaching as an assistant professor. These are our team members. Gaurav, who is the QA, Siddhi for the manufacturing, Shruti for HR and admin, then Nihal, the MSc from the computer science background, working on the software, and Vardavi is our QC and purchase. And Mr. Avinash Tulaskar, who has 20 years of experience in IVD industry, has been instrumental helping us develop our distribution channels. And we have existing facilities ISO 13485 certified and with access to clean room class 8 in Nepoya. These are our capital requirement. Total capital required is 1.37 crore. And this in the year one for our pilot trials, patents, equipments, company for the working capital buffer, and also for stage level deployments. These are our infrastructure and also our key connects, key opinion leaders, Dr. Pradnya, MD Microbiology there, and Mr. Avinash I've already mentioned about. So for seed stage, we're looking at 60 lakhs, followed by Series A in year 3 of 50 lakhs, and in growth phase at year 6 of 27 lakhs. So here is an investment opportunity with we're looking for 1.37 crore, and we are expecting a break even of year 3 to 4 years and a 10-year IRR of 71.5% and the profit of 263 million rupees. These are my and Surupa CVs, co-founders. This is our technology details. These are our financial simulations. Here you can see these are 1.37 crore requirement. And in the third to fourth here, we are having close to that break even. These are our milestones, 3-year milestones, US patent filing done, EU NRE in progress. From the IP point of view, from the clinical studies, Kalahandi district pilot, ICMR post DCDSU, brand endorsement process for the software, and also by Q3, we are aiming to close our fundraising round. These are our milestones of manufacturing and production. Currently, it's a small scale, as in these are subsequently for first two state Goa and Maharashtra, and subsequently in 27 towards end of 27 further state expansion. These are the panel of antibiotics that we have that covers the various UTI syndrome. Thank you.